Hello everyone, welcome to Job Fever. Today we are going to learn new things which is related to OOPS concept. So it is very important topic according to OOPS concept, which is polymorphism. So it is the randomly asked question in interview. So we'll try to understand what is polymorphism and we'll understand how can we write the polymorphism code and types of the polymorphism one by one. So let's see what is polymorphism. So actually poly means many and morphs means forms. Okay, so the word poly means many and morphs means forms. It's means many forms. So that means you can say that means a polymorphism, one object multiple work, or one object multiple form, one object multiple instance, like this we can say. So this will be the polymorphism. Polymorphism is considered one of the important feature of the object oriented programming. Polymorphism allows us to perform a single action in different way. Okay, so in other words, polymorphism allow you to define one interface and have multiple implementation. So in case of Java, this will be the in case of the Java or any other language, so this will be the description of polymorphism. Okay, so let's so types of polymorphism. This will be the next topic. So method overloading is also called compile time polymorphism. So we have two types of the polymorphism. One is compile time. Second will be the runtime polymorphism. Okay, so compile time polymorphism, there is a other name which is method overloading. Okay, so it is also known as static polymorphism. So don't get confused because all are the same, looking like same. So interviewer may ask what is runtime polymorphism, what is compile time polymorphism, and what is method overloading, and what is method overriding. So all are the same name. So method, if compile time polymorphism, then method overloading will be the same name. Okay, and you can also say the static polymorphism. So firstly try to understand the name of all the polymorphism. Okay, and this type of polymorphism is achieved by functional or function overloading or operator overloading. Okay, so with the both the way we can achieve, first functional overloading and second will be operator overloading. Okay, achieved by having multiple method in the same class with the same name but different parameters. Okay, so method name will be same but different parameter will be different. So you can provide one method parameter, two method parameter, three method parameter with have the same data type or a different data type. Okay, so you can consider all of them. The method to be executed is determined at compile time. Okay, so all the method will be executed at the time of the compilation only, compile time. Okay, let's take the example of run compile time polymorphism, which is method overloading. So this is one class method operations. Okay, math operations. We have one method which is add, and with two parameters, a int a and int b. So we are adding here a plus b. Okay, in the same class we have same method. That means we have add method but different parameters. Now we have three parameters: int a, int b, and int c. The type of all parameters are same, which is int. But if you compare with upper add method, so we have two parameters, but two parameters. Okay, but down we have three parameters, but types of parameters are same int. So we can change here string also. If you need a string, you can take one int, we can take another string. Okay, so you can take different type of the parameters or same type of the parameters. So depend upon your use, according to our requirement we can use. Mm, okay, so this will be the example of method overloading. Okay, method overloading or compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. So I think you understood. So let's move for the next topic, which is runtime polymorphism. We also call method overriding. Okay, so it is also known as dynamic polymorphism and achieved when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. So method is already defined in superclass and you are trying to implement in child class. Okay, so you are providing implementation in child class. the method is executed is determined at runtime. So this method is executed at the runtime. So we call runtime polymorphism. So let's see the example of runtime polymorphism, which is a method overriding. So we have one class, animal class. We have sound method. Okay, this is the parent class. Animal is a parent class, and we have sound method, which is implementation of your parent class. Okay, parent class. And what we did in, we have dog class and we have cat class. So what we are doing in dog class, so we are extending animal. Okay, so this will be the dog will be the first implementation class of animal. Okay, so animal is parent class and dog is our child class. So we have first child class, which is dog class. So we have sound method. We have implemented sound method in child class also. So we are overriding the sound sound method, which sound method which is in super class. Okay, or parent class. So we are overriding here, we are overridden here. So some class we have overridden in dog class. Okay, so in the same scenario, when you are going to create the cat class, so we are extending the animal, because we this is the properties of the animal sound. So animal can bark, animal can roar. Okay, so in cat we are also going to make a so dog, in dog class we have written dog barks. Okay, and sound class we written cat mew. So we are extending the animal class in child class, and we are providing the im- implementation of the sound class. That means we are overriding the feature of sound, which is already implemented in animal class. So we have two implementation. We have two child class. First will be the dog, and second will be the cat class. Okay, so dog can bark and cat can meow. Okay, so now we have test class. There we are going to achieve the runtime polymorphism with the help of we created the animal class instance. Okay, animal class reference variable and my so we are what we are doing here. We created the instance of new dog class. Okay, and initializing in animal class, creating the child class, creating the child class instance and initializing into parent class object. Okay, so we are calling the my animal dot sound. And what we are doing, down we are creating the child class, which is cat class object, and initializing in parent class instance variable. Okay, which is my animal. So we are calling here my animal dot sound, and we are calling my animal dot sound. Okay, so in first case, if you're calling my animal dot sound, so we'll get the dog. What will be the output? So we'll get the sound dog barks. Creating the child class object and initializing into parent class instance variable, and calling the method of child class with the help of the parent class reference variable is called method overriding. Okay, so this will be this process will be called method overriding. So we are achieving method overriding with the help of this. Okay, and then second part we are also achieving method overriding with the help of the this scenario. So here we are also creating the instance object of the child class, which is cat class, and initializing into instance of parent class, which is my animal. Okay, and we are calling the my animal dot sound. So here what will be the output? So what output will be the cat meow. So calling the implementation of the cat class. So like this we can achieve the runtime polymorphism or method overriding. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment and we can discuss on open platform. And I think you liked my effort. So if you're loving, so please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Bye everyone.